Alright folks, what we're doing, pulling out a palm tree with the farm jack. Just trying. It's not easy. These things got roots that go all around. I think I'm gonna have to use my tomahawk. Be right back. Yeah, I have a tomahawk. One sawed tomahawk. Amazing how strong one of these can be. So we got look pretty. It's all on the back side. Alright, we're gonna have to lower the jack. Goes baby. Back this way. About right there. Get that out of the way. I know I should put some gloves on, but oh well. What's up? Can't get a good swing back here. Oh, I think it's a stepping stone. Stepping stone that they're buried. Go left-handed. I can't get none of those roots. It's a stepping stone. Let's see what we got here anyway. Get it tight. You might. Yeah, come on, baby. Come to Papa. And that ain't Dan Webster either. There we go. Got him. It's out now, I'm pretty sure. Take the chain off. Off the jack, that is. Oh shit, I went the wrong way. Oops. You get the jack out of the way first things folks. Man, I got a lot of dirt. Okay. Now I'll put my gloves on. For sure.
Oh, for Pete's
See?
sake. Yeah.
Had to chop it a little bit though. We're not gonna give it to, I mean, you don't want it.
No.
They're just a nuisance. They just attract roaches.
Oh.
Bad.
Really?
Real bad, yeah.
Oh, crap.
Yeah.
Oh, crap over.
Roaches love palm trees.
That's good to know.
See, I could just take this off now. Take that out of the way. The hook I put on there, Ray Rodriguez, slides. should just be able to simply lift it out.
Oh, come on.
Look, folks, don't say Surf and Sapa never taught you anything.
Oh,
We just took out a palm tree using a farm jack. All right, coming through, folks.
that is
That's it.
So what was the tomahawk thing?
Oh, where is it?
What is it?
It's a hatchet, right here.
Oh, okay. Just to whack the roots.
Knock the few roots are grabbing.
Oh,
All right.
pretty amazing.
Okay, folks, as you can tell, we just removed a nice, about 5-year-old palm tree using a farm jack. This is all we have left is a couple of roots, but they're going to go ahead and die. And then if you come over here, you see here's the palm tree. All I had to do is knock off with my tomahawk some of those roots that were holding it down. But once you get a couple roots broken, it's no problem then. All you do is keep on jacking it. Jack, farm jack. Here's my farm jack. It's a high lift. I also put this on like that and I hooked through that because it wouldn't go around here, so I just hooked it through there and then kind of locked it together. So anyway, if anybody has any small palm trees they want removed, call me, Thomason Landscaping Plus. We'll make you a reservation, all right? All right, have a good day. God bless. Bye.